Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission. What is that? Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission. The mission was launched under National Digital Health Mission. It aims to digitize the healthcare sector by creating a national digital health ecosystem. National Digital Health Ecosystem. It includes providing Health ID, DigiDoctor, Health Facility Registry, e-hospital, patient health record and consent manager. So the aim of the mission is to integrate the various health infrastructure across the country. Health Authority have been given a mandate to implement Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission. It is also implementing agency of Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, and it is an attached office under Ministry of Family and Health and Family Welfare. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Looking into Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission, it is being currently implemented in pilot phase in 6 UTs, that is 6 Union Territories. Nationwide rollout of Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission coincide with National Health Authority celebrating 3rd anniversary of Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. So you all know it is implemented in 2018, that is launched and implemented from 2018, and it provides 5 lakh rupees per family per year for secondary and tertiary care. What are the salient features of Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission? It creates a seamless online platform through wide range of data, information and infrastructure services. So it is like a centralized database. So it also provides a interoperability within the digital health ecosystem and enable exchange of longitudinal health records of citizens with their consent. For example, if a patient is getting treated in a particular hospital, for example AIIMS Delhi, and he want to move to another hospital for her treatment, in that case the particular patient need not to carry their physical records of previous treatment. It can be shared through the digital ecosystem with their consent. Therefore, there will be a security and confidentiality and the privacy of health related personal information will be maintained. Through this mission, it will integrate the digital health infrastructure of the country. This is a core aim of the mission. What are the components under the Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission? First thing is Health ID will be provided to every citizens of the country, and it will act as a health account of particular patient or a particular person. So Health ID will be randomly generated 14-digit number through which you can link your health records, and it can be viewed through the mobile application with the help of mobile application. Second component under Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission is Healthcare Professional Registry and Healthcare Facility Registry. That is, it acts as a repository of all healthcare provider. All healthcare provided includes both modern and traditional system of medicine. Next component under Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission is Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission Sandbox. It is a digital architecture that allows any private players to be a part of national digital health ecosystem as a health information provider or health information user. That is, if any private players are interested to become a part of national digital health ecosystem, it will send a request to National Health Authority. National Health Authority in turn will test their system under sandbox environment. Once the successful testing is over, it will empanel the private hospital under the system. This is how it works, and it will integrate the various hospitals across the country, and various health information is integrated under the centralized database. So through this mission, it aims to create a holistic and inclusive health model. And also there is a potential of bringing revolutionary changes in healthcare facilities of the country. Thank you.